Hi, it's Kozue. The highlight of today's video is these delicate flowers. I'll be using nail stamping to create designs with a sheer, translucent look. For the thumb, I'm using Born Pretty's Jelly Nude Gel number 81. It's a slightly muted beige pink shade. Since I want today's floral design to be in a soft white, I chose a base gel with a bit more color payoff to help the flowers stand out. Apply the second layer. I just noticed a small mark on this tip. Not sure what to do, but I'll just keep going for now. I was hoping it wouldn't show, but it's more noticeable than I thought. Since I'll be applying a sticky tab, I'm wiping off the uncured gel with ethanol. If you're doing this on your natural nails, be careful. Not wiping gently enough can spread gel onto your skin. I'm using double eyelid tape from a 100 yen shop to create French tips. The thickness, stretch, and thickness are all amazing, but the shape isn't symmetrical. First, I stick it down in the middle, then adjust the sides. If you give it a good pull, it actually stretches quite a bit. Since the tape stretches well, I can easily adjust the curve of the smile line, making it softer or sharper as I like. I'm making sure both sides have the same depth. I'm applying a thin layer of base coat. This helps prevent the gel from seeping out underneath the eyelid tape. I try to avoid getting gel on the tape as much as possible, but a little bit is okay. It won't cause any trouble. Born Pretty Platinum Glitter Champagne Gold. Is it platinum? Or is it gold? The name's a bit confusing, but once you see the gel, it totally makes sense. It really feels like a mix of platinum and gold. Both tones are there, and they blend beautifully. I'm also trying to avoid getting this gel on the tape as much as possible. I'm applying the second layer the same way. Yep, that mark's still in the spotlight. Now I'll go ahead and remove the double eyelid tape. Removing the tape can loosen the nail tip from the stand, so I keep a steady grip while doing this. Looks good, the tape peeled off nicely. I'm using foil gel from CanDo today. I'm going for a sparkly, glassy French nail look. I'm applying the foil gel in a thin, even layer. Foil gels tend to need longer curing times, not just this one from CanDo, but most brands. The one from CanDo needs a full 3 minutes to cure. I'm adding these sparkly pieces, maybe holograms? Not sure what they are called, but they catch the light beautifully. Maybe I should have packed them in a bit more. I press it down with a stamper. Seriously, stampers are just too good. Now I'm applying a non-wipe top coat. Once this is cured, I'll add the floral stamp. Today I'm using this special stamper to make the design larger. I pick up the pattern with the stamper, then gently push from underneath to expand the design. I'm a bit worried the stamping part might be hard to see. Alright, I reset the silicone, flattening it back down. This plate is from Born Pretty. The polish has a medium opacity, so once it's stretched out, it should give a nice soft white. I'm pressing up from the back of the silicone to stretch the flower design. I think it's about 15% larger now. It's hard to see where I'm stamping. Oh, nice! Well done, Kozue. The petal color turned out nicely. Next, I'm stamping with PA S027. It's a softer shade, so the color will come out light. Now I'm stamping over the first layer to build up the design. Oh, it's very nice. Looks like the petals are stacking up a bit. Really pretty. I'm stamping one more flower using PA polish. Okay, time to finish with the top coat. Oh, wait. I just remembered there's one more thing I need to do. I was planning to add some sparkle to the center of the flower. I added a touch of platinum gold gel to the center of the flower. Now for the final step, sealing everything in with the top coat. All done with the thumb, and that mark is completely gone. I'll be doing the same design on the index, middle, and the pinky fingers. Born Pretty Gold Cap Magnetic Gel 03. This gel contains magnet-reactive gold particles. For the first layer, I let the particles settle. It turned into a soft pink beige. After applying the second layer, I'll bring a magnet close to create sparkly effects. First, I lift all the particles to the surface, then gather them into one spot. To prep for the double eyelid sticker, I'm removing the uncured gel layer using ethanol. I'm applying a thin layer of base coat and curing it. I'm applying the platinum gold gel. The second layer of the platinum gold gel. Once I peeled off the tape, it suddenly gave off a bit of a Christmas vibe. I'm applying a thin layer of foil gel and curing it for 3 minutes. It feels long, but it's worth for a strong hold. I'm patting on some sparkly hollow pieces, then sealing everything with a top coat to finish. The middle finger is done, and I've added the same art to the index and pinky as well. Next, the ring finger. I'm applying Jelly Nude Gel 81 in 2 coats, curing each layer. It's the same gel I used on the thumb. I've applied 2 coats, and now I'm stamping the sheer floral design using PA's white polish. This plate is really helpful. It has the same flower design in large, medium, and small sizes. Here? No. Maybe here. Now I'm layering a smaller flower on top. I'm stamping one more of the same flower. I'm placing a tiny dot of platinum gold gel right in the center of the flowers. I found it really handy to rest my brush on a brush holder from a 100 yen store. I'm gonna seal everything with a top coat, and it's all done. A blend of sparkle and softness. If you prefer a softer look, you can swap in a microparticle cat eye gel. It adds a gentle shimmer without overpowering the design. I'm so glad I managed to cover that mark on the thumb. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!